ito yung main road. Si Diding, yung friend natin na may-ari ng hotel, dinonate na natin sa kanya itong road na to. She promised to put an arc here na nakalagay Villa Preciosa. O Preciosa is the mother of my dad. So lola ko yun. So yun ang promise. So
And then yung isa pong
here, ito, all of these are sold. Parang high-end yung mga houses na tumayo, no?
Yeah.
We're very happy and our buyers, they amazed us. Ito, this is RV, yung kanya is mataas. So she built here, yan, naka-fence siya. You would go up, tapos yan, electric gate yan, bumubukas, electronic. Tapos,
ito siya.
so this is her road going up. This is the